to have $300,000 passive income coming out of your property investments.
So I needed people with me that have been doing this previously. Zero in terms of knowledge on how the process works. It's not that easy to do the research.
Value that we added to your investment journey, what would that be?
Getting the Airbnb numbers. We looked into New South Wales and Victoria before settling on to Tasmania.
Whether they should work with us or no, what would you say?
Definitely, yes.
Himani, first of all, thank you so much. I really appreciate you taking out time for this meeting. Really appreciate it. It means a lot.
Definitely, we want to see the company growing together. So,
No, absolutely. Absolutely. Thank you. Thank you so much. Let's straight away jump into this.
yeah.
Before meeting us, Himani, how was your experience with property research or getting into property market? How was your situation?
Firstly, it was knowing the market. Of course, we are coming from another country. So you need to build a confidence of knowing the market. While you're working a full-time job, it's not that easy to do the research as well. And also why the other thing adding on was getting your permanent visa before actually getting into something. So that was stopping me from my visa and my personal career growth happening at the same time. That was what was holding me back to actually invest in property. But I guess when you grow, once you get your visa and you've come to a certain point of your life, you're like, yeah, what's next? So yeah, the next was investment.
Okay. Other than visa, so what I understand, like talking to you, that you were confident about that you want to enter into property investment. You were waiting to get your visa situation sorted out,
Yeah.
and then you would get into property market. So what stopped you from doing it on your own?
Well, when you are, it's having a full time job. That really was block in our path to actually find doing it on my own. And also I don't have the experience, so I needed people with me that have been doing this previously and had the tools and the knowledge of guiding me um to the right investment.
Okay.
Yeah.
And in terms of the research, the negotiation process with us, how was it? Like,
Well, personally, I started with you even when I didn't have my visa. Like, we started looking into what areas we can invest in. So, this has been a very thorough research before investment actually with you. So, we looked into New South Wales and Victoria before settling on to Tasmania. So, of course, like negotiations were a huge relief with you. You handled the negotiations, giving me so much confidence that everything has been taken care of properly. But the process did take it time, but I did feel assured knowing that we were making right choices before committing to anything financially.
perfect. Sounds good. And let's talk about the property. What property did we end up buying for you?
You helped me secure a property in Tasmania in Warren, which is just 10 minutes away from the airport. And yeah, you guys handled the negotiation, found this property, which I think was not on market for that long before we got it. So it was a quick decision, but it just felt right because I had confidence in you guys that were doing the back end research, looking at the numbers for Airbnb and the market, and also with Gary's extensive knowledge of Tasmania just helped us be more confident that yeah, we are like Tasmania was never in the picture looking in Victoria. So and it just felt right when it happened, and especially with you guys thoroughly checking it, we knew that we can take a risk on this.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
If you recall, if you want to get specific to the number, that would be really great. Uh, how much did we buy it for? How much was the valuation from day one? You want to get into number specific?
Sure. We got it for $450,000. I believe it was advertised for 465 or 70. I don't have the exact number, but we got it for 450. You guys found me a conveyor that could help me. Actually, like for me, it was coming from zero. I had no idea how a settlement works, how negotiation and everything works. So you guys guiding me every step that this is the next step. Even from trying to getting loan approved to getting settlement, you guys had a big major part on it. When someone's completely zero in terms of knowledge on how the process works in getting a property, at the end with the settlement we paid 470K. That included the stamp duty fee and other conveyors fee. But look, well, once the renovation starts, we are going to reevaluate the property and hoping that the valuation will come over 500. Okay, so let's see. Hoping for the best, but yeah, started with smaller to go into something bigger.
Perfect. We discussed number of things that you just said, how we helped you secure this property from start to the settlement. If you have
Mhm.
to pinpoint one biggest win or one biggest value that we added to your investment journey, what would that be?
Um, Getting the Airbnb numbers, because you guys have the softwares and the tools that can have that has historical data that you can prove it with the numbers that has already taken place in that area. So with that, we know that even investing 450, we will start getting return as soon as the property goes on Airbnb because we looked at the numbers you showed us through your
Perfect.
softwares.
No, that's what the whole value proposition is, Himani,
Yeah,
that we buy the right property at the right price and leverage Airbnb to get the rental yield significantly higher compared to what we can get through long-term traditional renting.
exactly. And that will help us building equity and hopefully getting the mortgage out. Well, 5 years down the road, we'll get the property paid off with the profit.
You know what? Asking you, being very upfront, if a friend asks you whether they should work with us or no, what would you say?
Definitely, yes. Like you guys are also not you are also learning with us. Yes, you have more your expertise in there, but you're also learning with that us, so which also like has a really supportive background that I'm not just you're not some top end dealers that are already know or that targeting some kind of certain demographic. You're helping out everyone from that doesn't have knowledge or someone who's fully like my dad who knows everything about property. Still, he would rely on you because he trusts you that you guys are doing a thorough research, which the points we would have missed as a sole buyer. Uh,
Yeah.
so that's why where you guys step in, that looking into points we would have definitely missed as looking at by ourselves.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Himani. Really appreciate it. The whole agenda of recording this review is anyone who looks at this gets some value and gets some confidence. And your numbers, the numbers you shared, your experience that you shared being out loud will definitely help other investors watching this. So thank you so much. Thanks for
I
your
was
time.
definitely a panic first time buyer, but I knew working with Bhavesh and Gary that I was in right hands, and it was not just that I know you guys personally. It's just like growing together into something bigger.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Looking forward to consistently buy new properties every year,
Definitely.
create a good property portfolio where the end goal where we started the discussion from is to have $300,000 passive income coming out of your property investments.
Yes, definitely.